Welcome to 335 Wendemere Drive, where you will find a large detached workshop that measures 19 feet by 19 feet, along with the two-car side entrance garage on this custom-built brick 4 bedrooms and 2 baths home. Hardwood flooring in the foyer, formal dining room, great room, and all of the 3 downstairs bedrooms. The bonus room is the only area with carpet and is the 4th bedroom. The great room has a gas fireplace, vaulted ceiling in the formal dining room, split bedroom floor plan, utility room, and a storage room in the attached 2-car side entrance garage. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a large master bathroom with dual sinks, large tile walk-in shower, corner whirlpool tub, and tile flooring. This home also offers a nice kitchen with pantry, large landscaped yard, well for sprinklers, tankless gas water heater, warranty, and a detached garage shop with insulated walls. Great floor plan and a very well-kept home. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The large detached workshop measures 19 feet by 19 feet. The 2-car garage is a side entrance garage attached to the side of the home. The foyer entrance greets you upon entering the front door of this lovely home. It has hardwood floors, a coat closet, and measures 7 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 1. The great room has beautiful hardwood floors, a tray ceiling with 2 ceiling fans, a gas fireplace, and measures 13 feet 1 inch by 11 feet 6. This view of the great room is from the guest hallway. This view of the great room and foyer is from the eat-in area of the kitchen. The dining room is located to the right of the foyer upon entering the front door. It has beautiful hardwood floors, an arched window, a vaulted ceiling, and measures 13 feet 1 inch by 11 feet 6. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 9 feet 5 inches by 5 feet, has a ceiling fan, and vinyl flooring. The hall of the kitchen is a mud hall and leads to the 2-car garage, the master bedroom, the bonus room, and the laundry room. The kitchen has vinyl flooring, appliances that include a dishwasher, refrigerator, and range, that all remain with the home, and measures 14 feet 10 inches by 9 feet 5. This view of the eat-in kitchen and great room is from the mud hall. This side of the kitchen shows the dishwasher that remains. The kitchen also has a disposal. This side of the kitchen shows the range, hood, and refrigerator that remain with the home. This view of the kitchen is from the dining room. The mud area is located off the kitchen, has vinyl floors, and measures 7 feet 4 inches by 6 feet 7. This area leads to the pantry, master bedroom, the bonus, or 4th bedroom, the laundry room, and the 2-car garage. The master bedroom is located off the mud hall, has beautiful hardwood floors, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a private master bath, a walk-in closet, and measures 19 feet 7 inches by 13 feet 3. The master walk-in closet measures 11 feet 6 inches by 3 feet 6. The large master bathroom has dual sinks, a large tile walk-in shower, a corner whirlpool tub, tile flooring, and measures 20 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 1. The hall to the guest rooms is located off the great room, making this a split bedrooms floor plan. Bedroom 2 has beautiful hardwood floors, a ceiling fan, a closet, and measures 13 feet 3 inches by 10 feet 6.